Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. I was able to get such great deals on this transaction, only $1 for each one of the products that I got. So if you haven't seen my other videos, go check them out because whatever I got from those transactions that I showed you is what I'm using to help lower the cost for this one. So make sure to check those two out. And sorry I had to do a voiceover with my voice because I live in New York and the sounds are insane. Anyway, before we get started, don't forget to like and follow so you can continue to receive notifications of when I post and share so that more people could enjoy the savings just like you and I. And let's jump right in. This week at Walgreens, you can be able to get this Febreze small spaces. They have different scents. I picked this one because I hadn't seen that one before. You can pick them up at $3.29, and there is a $2.30 digital coupon that comes off. So you're only paying 99 cents for it at the end. And then Gillette deodorants is buy one at $9.49. Get the second one 50% off. There is a digital coupon of $5 when you buy three. And when you purchase four of them, you're going to get back $4 in a registered reward. So here's my receipt. Everything came out great. Here are the prices of everything. The Gillette buy one get one 50% off, and that small space is at $3.29. And then I use that register reward from the purchase before. So remember, I mentioned the last couple of videos that the registers are now register rewards are rolling. At least for this PNG, it seems to be rolling. And so I used the $15 that I got back from the first PNG transaction into this one. And I'm supposed to get back a $10 one for this purchase because it's spent 30 or more in the store and you get $10 in a register reward. So again, everything here came through. Um, you have the $5 off on three for the Gillette, the 230 off of the small spaces. My total before taxes, because I use that register reward, is lower than yours. But I'm gonna do the math right now so you can see the breakdown and how everything will work out. So the first thing that we got was the $9.49 times three, and that's because it's buy one and get one for half off. Buy one get one half off. So at the end, it's like if you bought three at that price of 9.49. I'm sorry. So 28.47 was my total for those, but then I needed to get to 30 to get that PNG in store of spend $30, get 10 back in a register reward. So I added the small spaces for $3.29. My total was 31.76 before any digital coupons came off. We're going to go ahead and take off the $5 for buying three of the deodorants, and we're going to take off the $2.30 for the small spaces digital coupon. So at the end, out of pocket, it would be $24.46. But remember that I told you that I had used my register reward from that PNG that I did promotion on the transaction before this one. If you don't have it, that's fine. It's okay. I'm going to show you how it still works out, even if you don't have that. So again, $24.46 is what you had to pay. Now you're going to start taking off what you get back. $4 back in a register reward for the deodorants and the $10 back from the PNG offer of spend 30 or more and get 10 back. So now I'm going to go ahead and take off a paper booster that I use for $5. If you haven't seen that video, it's like two videos back where I show you what is the promotion for this week and how you can get yours. So I'm down to $5.46 for all five products. And when you divide these by five, you're only going to pay $1.09 for everything. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and follow and share. Until the next one, and don't forget to smile.